Good morning guys. Ayan, ngayon lang ulit kami makapag-hairstyle ni Bunso na may camera. Tagal-tagal na rin.
We are doing math.
What?
We are doing math.
Tanggal natin yung bag naman.
We are doing math.
We're doing math. Ay, gusto daw niya mag-give ako ng plus addition. Wait.
Only equals and plus.
Plus only.
No, plus and equal.
Equal. Okay. Then you answer it.
Yeah. Say it. Say the number.
Okay. Check nyo guys kung tama ang answer ni Bunso. 1 plus 1.
2.
2?
Tell me.
Kagagaling ko kasi guys naghatid dun sa isa.
Tell me another one.
Then, kaya atching tayo
Mama,
guys sa
tell me
malamig.
another one.
Okay. 2 plus 2.
4.
4. 3 plus 3.
6.
4 plus 4.
8.
5 plus 5.
10.
Okay, 6 plus 6.
12.
Is it 12? 7 plus 7.
14.
14. 8 plus 8.
8 plus 8.
Yeah.
16.
16. 9 plus 9.
9 plus 9. 18.
18. 10 plus 10.
20.
20.
Tell me.
Random number?
Yeah. But
Okay.
not hard one.
Not hard one.
Not do hard one too. But not times. Not times.
Not. Okay.
Not
Okay. 32 plus 32.
I know 32 plus 32 is 64.
9 plus 2.
9 plus 2, 11.
5 plus 3.
5 plus 3. So 5 and 3 is 8.
Okay. 6 plus 3.
6 plus 3, 9.
Okay. How about 10 plus 10?
20.
20. Okay. 50 plus 10.
50 plus 10. Wait, 50?
50. 50.
Okay, 50 plus 10. D plus 10. Oh, I know 60.
Good job. Okay, I need orange. Can you give me orange, Tale? Wait,
Orange.
ay, hindi na.
Orange. This is orange.
Oh, naku, wala tayong orange.
Orange. Tell me now.
Okay.
Tell me now.
20 plus 10.
30.
What?
30.
30. Ang ingay kasi ni Frozen, hindi ko marinig.
Tell me another one.
Another one again. 9 plus 5.
9 plus 5.
Ang tali na
10,
isa.
11, 12, 13, 14. 14.
Okay,
14.
that's enough. Tama na, next. Okay.
More. One more, please.
One more. Okay, 8. Huh? 8 plus 7.
8 plus 7.
See, tingnan natin guys.
15.
Tama ba, Bel?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, give. Ate.
40 plus 30.
40 plus 30 daw. 40 plus 30.
70.
See? Okay, let's go. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys. Kami.
101 plus
Papasok
7
na guys.
plus 43. 43.
Ayan, ang ano ni Bunso. Simple lang.
101 plus
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay, asan na yung ano mo? Get your ski pants na. Magbibihis. Okay.
Whoa!
Yung kanyang scarf and jacket. Can do it.
Can you?
Ha?
Mama.
Wait lang, you need to pull down this. Papasok si Bunso.
Tomorrow is Valentine's Day, don't forget.
It's okay, ganyan na. Na-stop to yung video. The other one. Nandito na si Frozen. Nandito again si Frozen. Frozen.
She's not.
Frozen. Inaano yung camera.
Wait, you buy this for me?
Oh, yes.
Mama, she's frozen.
Frozen! Alis ka dyan sa camera. Correct.
Ah, she's buying me.
Ah,
She's playing by it.
ayan na naman siya.
Frozen, come here. She likes me.
Parang masakit yata.
Oh, it's so fluffy.
Of course.
Smells like smoke.
Smoke? Hindi naman.
Mama,
Mama,
put it on me. Mama,
Oy,
yesterday we were watching a movie.
where? Sa school?
Yeah, we are watching Despicable Me 4.
Oh. Sige ito na.
We didn't finish it.
Yan, eto guys, kaya may tali siya ngayon. Kaya kayang-kaya niyang isuot by herself. Okay, kami. Ayan, ready to go na si Bonso.
I'm 6 years old.
Okay, put on your shoes na. Okay, bye guys.